Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm having another birthday video moment. I hope you're not getting sick of them. It's actually the very next day after my birthday, even though these videos are coming out spaced apart. I hope you were able to watch my Birkin video. I was so excited to reveal my new Birkin, and then my part 2 video where I shared some of the other Hermes goodies that I got for myself. These were all gifts to myself, and sometimes it's just really fun to be able to do that. But the most meaningful gifts come from loved ones, right? Family, friends. So I wanted to just share with you some of these more, non-luxury goodies that I got, but they really mean a lot to me. This gorgeous little tin that has a musical component to it. It's so pretty. My kids are having so much fun playing with this. It's from Fortnum & Mason, and my friend Jean, she sent me this huge crate, like huge box full of goodies like chocolates and cake and cookies, and this tin is so pretty, so I'm definitely keeping this so I can store other items in here. So that's one of the items I wanted to share with you. I'm sure you were curious also what I might have gotten from my hubby, and I'm going to show you right now. This is what he gifted to me. This is the Baccarat Rouge 540. And yes, this is the new perfume that I added recently, but I bought the small travel set with 3 very small vials. And those are perfect for putting them in your little mini pochette or your purse and carrying them around. But I said to him, I have never tried or smelled the Baccarat Rouge 540, and I didn't want to splurge on the full size bottle. So I got the little travel set, which I believe was about $180. And he remembered me saying that because he remembered that I didn't want to make that huge commitment, or not huge commitment, but I didn't want to commit to a full-size bottle until I tested it out. And lately I've been loving that perfume, and I've been wearing it nearly every day. And he really likes it too, and he's very picky about perfume and scents. So he went ahead and got the full-size bottle for me. The full-size bottle is still quite miniature, but it's going to last a really long time because I only use 1 spray at a time for the whole day. So this is the beautiful packaging, and this is the bottle. So if you watched my video from a couple months back, you'll know that I have the small little travel set, as I mentioned. So this is, so pretty, and I will put this on top of my dresser. So I really only have 3 perfumes actually. This one, the Hermes Un Jardin sur le Toit. Don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Love that. It's a very fresh, light, kind of citrusy scent. Not citrusy. Has like pear notes actually. Very, very light. And then my friend gifted me the Saint Laurent Mon Paris a couple years ago, and so I wear that sometimes when I want a little bit of an edgier vibe. But yeah, so I'm not a huge perfume person. I'm not a perfume collector by any means, but really happy to have those 3. And then my sister-in-law, she actually just stopped by, and she dropped off this gift here. I unwrapped it already. This is the Tatcha Rice Polish Classic. Now, I do wear the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. I love it actually. It's one of my favorites, but I've never tried this one, so I'm really excited. And actually I was running low on my skincare products. So it says here, for normal to dry skin, a gentle water-activated daily exfoliant of Japanese rice bran and papaya enzyme with nourishing silk protein. That sounds really good. Tatcha, if you're not familiar, makes some really amazing products. And the packaging is so pretty. So definitely going to try this. So thank you to my sister-in-law. Yes, actually, let me open it really quickly because I want to see. Sometimes it's interesting to see the consistency and the color. And since I'm not familiar, and maybe some of you out there are not familiar, it might be helpful to see. Oh, wow. So it says press. Ah! Oh my gosh. There's like some powdery. Oh, interesting. Just trying to smell it. Cool. Really excited to try this. Okay. And then I actually got a surprise box. I'm going to put it in front of me. Hold on. So this surprise box came from Rose Forever. If you recall, I have worked with Rose Forever in the past. They make rose products, and they're beautiful, and they're actually preserved to last a full year, and they're preserved with natural oils, so nothing toxic or chemical. And I have featured them a few times, and they reached out wishing me a happy birthday and asking me which new set I would like, because I have a few sets that I really enjoy. And I was like, oh, if it's for my birthday, can you just surprise me? Like, just surprise me, because it's fun to have surprises. So they did that, and I didn't open it yet. I wanted to open it with all of you, so let's get this out of the way. Okay, so let's open the large box. So fun. And you guys know that I very, very rarely work with brands, only if I truly enjoy the brand and the products myself and stand behind the company. And Rose Forever is based in New York, which I love. I love to support local brands since I'm here in New York as well. And I'm just really, really selective about who I partner with, because I certainly don't want to become an advertiser of random brands that make no sense. And I am quite picky, you guys know, with what I purchase and where I choose to spend my money. So I'm just as picky about what I would promote and recommend to you guys. So, oh my gosh, this is so like luxurious. Never gotten a black set. So this is like velvety. Oh, that's really cool. So let's open that up. Oh, so pretty. These are so pretty. So there are 16 ivory roses, totally preserved, will last, like I said, for up to a year. Oh my gosh. Oh, there it says Rose Forever, New York. Yes. So I have a link and a promo code. If you're interested to save some money, it's a discount code. I'll link it down below in my description box. But like I said, this is like my, what is it now? 4th set or 5th set? I have them all over our apartment, in the bedroom, in the living room. Let's see what this is. Oh, it says fragile, so I'll be careful. Okay. This is so fun. If you notice on my channel, I never do like big hauls, like shopping hauls. Like the Nordstrom hauls I see right now are very popular. They're on a lot of the YouTube channels out there. I enjoy watching them because I get to see what products are recommended, and it might kind of give me some ideas, or maybe like those Amazon haul videos as well. But I personally have never done them because I don't usually shop like that. I usually don't buy like a whole bunch at a time, and I don't really shop sales that often. So, oh my gosh. So like I said, when I share something with you, it's because I really like it and I really stand behind it. How adorable is this? Oh my gosh. It's like a miniature, tiny little hat box. Oh my gosh. It's so chic looking with the ivory and the black. And then it has this little, oh my goodness. Thank you to Rose Forever. How cute. These are things that, like, I don't know. They're little things, but they just make me smile, you know? Beautifully crafted items that just make, I don't know, your day a little brighter. So this one I'm actually going to put on my desk because I work from home, and I feel like it'll just bring a little bit of cheer when I put it right next to my notebook and my laptop. How beautiful. So definitely want to share that. I'm genuinely surprised and so appreciative because I had no idea what was in those boxes. Yay, this one is so cute. So cute. So again, I'll put the link and the discount code down below in my description box if you want to go ahead and check out Rose Forever. So let's move this over, and then I also want to show you what my friend Elma surprised me with, and she really did surprise me. Okay. Gotta pull this box over. Lots of big boxes. So my friend Elma, you may know her as the Guru Edit on Instagram. She is a personal stylist. She is a Chanel vintage specialist. She resells vintage pre-loved Chanel. And she's just really knowledgeable and super fun. And she came to New York. She doesn't live here, but she came to New York for a visit, and we had a lot of fun together. She's coming again next month, so we're going to paint the town red again. But by the way, she's got this like, you won't understand unless you've ever purchased something from her. She has this custom-made scent running through her entire house, and it's like embedded in everything, including the tissue paper. And she says that she doesn't notice the smell anymore, but it smells so delicious. It smells so good, and I don't know, it's like not an overpowering smell at all. It's like really subtle, but it makes everything smell so nice. So I love getting tissue paper from her. But look at this. She sent me 4 pairs of designer jeans. Like, she is the denim girl. She wears denim all the time. She actually used to have her own denim boutique. And look at this. I'm like so shocked. So way back, probably about a year ago, I mentioned to her that she's so lucky because she is such an expert with denim. Mainly because I don't enjoy shopping for denim. I don't actually enjoy shopping for clothes in general. Handbags are one thing. I enjoy the handbag process of, like, you know, checking it out in front of the mirror and all of that. But shopping for clothes, I don't know if you guys are the same. But if you're like me, I don't like going into the dressing room. I get all huffy and hot and bothered, taking off all my clothes, trying on all the clothes, seeing how they fit. By the time I come out of the dressing room, I'm usually like sweating and looking like a hot mess. So I don't really shop a lot for clothes, period. But when I do, it's kind of like a cringy sort of like, oh, let me just get this over with. And in particular, jeans, they have to fit really well, right? So it takes a while. So I had mentioned this to her a long time ago. She must have remembered. And then recently she sent me a photo of herself in a dressing room with a pair of jeans on, asking like, hey, how does this look? This is the sizing. Do you think I should go up or down? And it looked perfect on her. I was like, no, those look great. Keep them. And she told me her waist size, and she's like teeny tiny. And I was like, oh my gosh, I'm a 27. You're like really tiny. And she remembered that. These are the little things that matter to me so much. So she sent me these 4 pairs of jeans, all in the size 27. I tried them on last night because the package arrived last night, and they all fit like gloves. Like, they fit perfectly. And then my son, he saw me trying them on, and he was like, Mom, your butt looks big. And I was like, yes, that's the point. I want my butt to look bigger because that means it's like hugging me and fitting properly. There's no like looseness or sagging. And he was like, what? You want your butt to look big? Like, I was like, you don't get it. So they are so lovely. They fit great. Thank you, Elma, if you're watching. These in particular are my favorites. The American, what is it called? AG. See, I'm not even well versed in in denim brands. So AG, I forgot, what does this stand for? Hello. What does AG stand for? Doesn't it stand for something? I don't know. So AG, these are the skinny ankles, fit so nicely. And then another AG pair, cigarette ankle, fit really beautifully. And then here are a pair of Olivia long high-rise slim. Oh, these are from Citizens of Humanity. I have heard of that brand. And Page as well. So mid-rise, ultra skinny. These are really nice and soft and stretchy, and they're gray. And I have a gray pair that I've had for like, gosh, probably like 10 years. So nice to have another gray pair that I can swap out for, since those other ones are getting kind of worn. So yeah, how cool is that? So definitely wanted to share those with you. And then I have to show you what my kids gave me. Of course, they give me life, like every day, their smiles and hugs and kisses and just their joy and laughter. And we went out first we had lunch and cupcakes, and they chose my favorite cupcakes. My daughter chose red velvet cupcake for me, and my son chose carrot cake cupcake for me. So definitely delicious, devoured those. And then we went to dinner. My husband made reservations down in Soho, and I don't vlog, you guys know that, because I just like to enjoy the moment and just kind of be present. But I will post photos on my Instagram if I can, just to kind of show a little bit of what we did. And yes, I wore my Birkin. I actually wore a couple of the new Hermes items that I unboxed recently. So like on my birthday, I unboxed them and then I wore them. Like I didn't save them. I don't believe in saving things. I feel like every day is a special day. So it was really nice. It was really nice. My husband did a great job planning. So my daughter, she's really very sweet and kind with her words and like super sentimental. So we traveled together recently and she wrote in here that I'm a great travel partner and the best mommy and all that. So how cute is this card? According to my husband, she took a really long time choosing the card, which I think is super sweet. It's so perfect. I love the color yellow. And then she got me, where is it? I feel like it just got buried in one of the boxes here. Oh, so she got me a new phone case because she had been saying to me for a while, Mom, you need a new phone case. I'm like, yeah, I know, but I never made it a priority. I'm not the kind of person to upgrade my tech gadgets frequently just because a new iPhone comes out. No, I'm like the last to upgrade. I'm the last to get any new gadgets. I'm not into electronics at all. That's not my thing. So I've had my iPhone 7 Plus for many years. And the only thing that kind of gives it a fresh look is when I swap out phone cases. So she got this one. It's so cute. It has sushi rolls and sashimi on it, and the colors are so fun. So I obviously took it off to show you guys because I'm filming with my phone, but really good quality, really thick. I'm clumsy and I drop my phone a lot, and I have cracked a fair share of phone screens in the past. Yes. So I need to have a case. And if there's a case that has that little kind of edge, it actually protects the screen from touching the ground if you do happen to drop it, which I do almost all the time. And so it'll protect it from cracking. So yeah, super cute. And then my son, my little son, 9-year-old, he always makes me things. If you've watched my previous videos, he always like knits me things or makes me things. He's super crafty. And this time he made this like little pass, lifetime pass with a fake membership ID number. I'm not going to flip it over because he wrote my full name on it, but it is, he explained it to me, and it says piano pass on the other side actually. So I took piano lessons when I was a child, and I always say that even though I didn't enjoy it that much when I was a kid, because there was a lot of pressure on me, like I have long fingers, as you can see. So every piano instructor that my parents hired, they got so excited when they saw me as a little girl with these long fingers, like spidery fingers, and they thought I was going to become some kind of like major pianist, like some famous world-renowned, like they thought that they could shape me into whatever they wanted me to be, I guess. And I wasn't very good at it, and I also didn't enjoy it, so I quit after many years. And I guess I regret a little bit because I want to be able to play just a few tunes, and my kids have taken some piano lessons, and long story short, I've been trying to brush up on my piano skills, and my son has been teaching me, or helping me relearn the notes. So I thought it was super sweet. He explained the gift to me. He said, this is a lifetime pass. Anytime you show me this pass, whatever is happening, whatever I'm doing, I will stop and I will help you with your piano. So how sweet is that? I think it's so thoughtful. So I'm definitely going to keep that forever. So yeah, my kids are super sweet. I think these are the things that matter more, much more than any kind of like luxury goods or material things I could buy for myself. I'm just really appreciative for the love that I'm surrounded by in my family and friends. So definitely want to show you those. And then let me see. So this is the Kelly belt that I unboxed recently. This is the beautiful silk cashmere scarf that I unboxed recently. And this is the mini Kelly bracelet. And this is my Birkin. So I wore all of these yesterday on my birthday. Even though I was wearing this cute little floral dress, I thought it might get cold with the air conditioning blasting in the restaurant. So I just rolled this up and threw it in the bottom of my Birkin. And it was a great idea to do that because it was freezing. At least me, I get cold very easily. So halfway through the dinner, I just wrapped this around, and it was so warm, so light but warm. Highly recommend these silk cashmere blend scarves. I have 2 now from Hermes. And yeah, and then this kind of helped to cinch my dress, give it a little bit of an accent. And then this, of course, I just needed some arm candy. So like I said, I will post some mod shots on my Instagram if you're interested. But yeah, thank you so much for letting me kind of bask in my birthday fun and share these goodies with you. If you've watched up until this point, I would appreciate giving this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I will see you all next time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.